Hey, YouTube. It's me, Jonathan. I hope you're doing well. I know I haven't seen you for a little while. I've been working part-time as an EMT, and let me tell you, it's been an interesting time to be riding in the back of an ambulance, but I'm hanging in there, and I hope you are too. Hey, I wrote a new ebook called The Guitar Year One, and I will make a proper video promoting that book, but in the meantime, I thought I'd say hello and send you this quick video. The Guitar Year One, 40 plus pages of awesome stuff. You can read more about it in the description of this video. You can get yourself a copy of this ebook at www.song-bike.com. www.song-bike.com. That's where you can download it. And this is an ebook, right? That means you download it. Don't wait by your mailbox for it to arrive. But check out the website and all the things that are available there. And I hope you're taking care of yourself. I hope you're doing well. And hang in there, everybody. All right. I'll see you later.